Here the question is, how will you prepare arsenic sulfide salt in the lab? We can prepare arsenic sulfide salt from arsenic trioxide. Here we are dissolving a small amount of arsenic trioxide in hot water to produce a solution of arsenious acid. The arsenic trioxide is only soluble in water, but it dissolves better in hot water. To enhance the solubility, we can add a small amount of dilute hydrochloric acid. Through this solution, we can pass hydrogen sulfide, and this gas can be generated by reacting iron sulfide with dilute hydrochloric acid. Then the reaction between arsenic trioxide and hydrogen sulfide is given here. This is providing a colloidal suspension of arsenic sulfide As2S3. The second question is to provide an example for heterogeneous catalysis. Heterogeneous catalysis is a type of catalysis where the catalyst is in a different phase than the reactant. Most commonly, the catalyst is a solid while the reactants are gases or liquids. Now we know that the Haber process, that is the industrial preparation of ammonia, is an example for heterogeneous catalysis. Here both nitrogen and hydrogen are in gaseous phase while iron, which is the catalyst, is in solid phase. So this is a best example for heterogeneous catalysis.